In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink PayPal from eBay. If you no longer want your PayPal account connected to your eBay account, the process is fairly quick and simple. I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can remove it without confusion. Before you begin, make sure you're already signed into your eBay account, since the option you need is located inside your account settings. Once you're on eBay, move your cursor over the My eBay section near the top of the page. Don't click right away if a drop-down menu appears when you hover, because the goal here is simply to access the account-related options connected to My eBay. This area is where eBay groups together important settings, order details, and payment preferences. So it's the right starting point for managing linked payment methods. From there, click on Payments. This will take you to the part of your eBay account where your payment options and wallet details are managed. If you have more than one payment method saved, take a moment to identify the PayPal option you want to remove. It's a good idea to double check that you're selecting the correct account before making any changes, especially if you use multiple payment methods for buying or selling. After you've found the linked PayPal account, click on Delete. This is the action that removes PayPal from your eBay payment settings. Depending on your account setup, eBay may ask you to confirm the removal before the change is finalized. If that happens, just follow the on-screen prompt to complete the process. Once the deletion goes through, PayPal should no longer be linked to your eBay account. It can be helpful to stay on the payments page for a few extra seconds and verify that the account has actually disappeared from the list. That quick check helps confirm the unlinking was successful. If you rely on a saved payment method for purchases, you may also want to make sure another payment option is available in your account so you don't run into issues later when checking out. And if the delete option doesn't appear, it may be because that payment method is still being used in some way. So reviewing your payment settings carefully can help. That's all it takes to unlink PayPal from eBay. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and easy to follow.